धमाकेदार और
अमेजिंग
science experiments.
So our first experiment is
So for this we need a plate, colored water,
matchbox.
candles and a glass. We have lighted the candle. Now put colored water in it. हमने इसमें कलर्ड वाटर डाल दिया। कैंडल लाइटेड है। तो अब पूरा पानी ग्लास के अंदर आया। मीन्स
Reason:
मैजिक।
the volume of the air decreases and the water rises. The temporary temperature changes delay the rise of water.
Now our second experiment is, for this experiment we will need a water bottle filled with water, a balloon, Eno, scissors and a thread. First of all, we will fill one packet of Eno into this balloon. And now we will, तो अब देखते हैं मैजिक।
पकड़ते लो।
अभी भी ऊपर आ रहा है।
Experiment. As the carbon dioxide gas fills the balloon inflates. The more gas that is created, the larger the balloon will inflate. The Eno and water chemical reaction will continue to inflate the balloon as long as there is still Eno and water to react.
जो हमारा लास्ट वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट था तो बहुत कूल था, थम्स अप। तो हम नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं।
So for this हमको लगेगी मैच बॉक्स, प्लेट एंड 2 कैंडल्स। हम एक कैंडल लाइट कर लेंगे। अब देखते हैं।
Yes.
Yes.
Let's try one more time. I am not touched to the wick and it has started burning.
Yes, it is very good. I like it.
See, I am not touched at all. It was too away.
Yes.
Reason: when a candle blown off the wick stays hot and wax continue to drone up through it before evaporation. This wax gas above the candle can be relit, meaning that the flame will appear to jump from the Samruddhi's candle to wick.
No, baby.